Hi guys, here is the system of equation, but is given you like hy. There is supposed to be a constant number for h over here to make the system of equation has no solution. What we do then, let me show you how you do it. Here we type the first equation for x minus 9y equals to 9y plus 5. Here is the first equation. Then hit the next tab. Hy normal equals to 2 plus 4x. You see the first line here, the black line over here. We need to enter the value of h that is going to make parallel line, which has no solution. Let's type in the first choice a, which is -9. So we hit h equal -9. You see they intersect over here. So there is a solution. We put the next value, 0. Still intersect over here. There is one solution. Let's hit 9. Also they intersect over here. Now the last choice, which is 18 and C. Look over here, they are parallel line. And parallel line has no solution. That's how you know your answer is correct.